Would you like to make real income on the internet through affiliate marketing? If you said yes, listen, let me tell you something. The opportunity for you to plug in and sell other people's products on the internet right now and generate real, consistent, life-changing income potentially could not have been better. For example, some of my students right now just started out a campaign just over the last few days here. Siddharth made over $3,078. Never made any money before prior to getting access to the information I'm about to walk you through as well. For example, Aaron Chen, $1,000 just in the last few days. A lot of these guys have never made a dime on the internet. Okay, I can go on here, Akron here, $1,900. This is life-changing income that you potentially can activate in your business, in your life. Now, what I'm doing right now is I'm holding a private masterclass where I show you exactly how to get started from scratch and how do you grow successful affiliate marketing business to where you generate real, consistent, life-changing income. And how do you do it within the next 30 days? I'm going to reveal to you everything. Number one, where do you get the products to promote? And we don't go to ClickBank. We don't go to these popular sites out there that you might have heard about, JVZU and all these other things, right? We have our own private network that we go to, and I'm going to reveal that to you. Second thing I'm going to share with you, how do you do this automatically through systems? In other words, you should be making more money when you're sleeping than how much you can spend when you're awake. Okay, what a concept, what a big idea. I'm going to show you how we run it through systems. Just like these guys right here, just like I do, we run through systems. Thing number three I'm going to show you is how do you get traffic, right? So if you have traffic coming to a system that sells a product that, by the way, you don't have to create and you get commissions, this is called automatic money. It's like a cash machine that you can activate for yourself. If you're interested, I'm going to show you everything from A to Z. No stone is left unturned. Register for my next upcoming class. I'll see you there. I can promise you, you'll never be the same after going through this.